Hi, I'm Federico, Export Manager here at Depureco. Talking to customers every day, I always receive the same question. Should I go with a single-phase or with a three-phase machine? And the truth is that it all comes down on how you're going to use your vacuum. This is one of our single-phase units, M65, a bestseller in its category. Our single-phase machines are powered by bypass motors from 1 up to 3. Each motor can reach 1.3 kilowatts. These units are compact, easy to move around, and ideal for maintenance teams, housekeeping, and cleaning after short production runs. Here you see a bypass motor. It uses carbon brushes to work, which wear down over time. Typically after 1200 hours, they should be replaced. This bypass motor works on a 230 volt socket, so you can plug it almost everywhere. Now let's take a look to our three-phase vacuums. These units are built to work 24/7 continuous operation. You can find this type of machines in factories, centralized system, and wherever heavy-duty application is required. They're quiet, powerful, and can work specifically to vacuum from one point or multiple suction points. They have to be connected to a 400 volt three-phase power supply with 4 or 5 poles, so they're perfect for the industrial setups. This is the heart of our industrial three-phase vacuum cleaners, the side channel blower. No carbon brushes, no wear parts, no maintenance, a 24/7 partner. This, in its standard versions, is available in a wide range of powers, from 1.8 up to 25 kilowatts, but sky is the limit. We also provide ATEX certified side channel blowers, specific to work in ATEX rated and hazardous locations, to vacuum flammable dust and conductive material. So, in the end, which is the right vacuum for you? If your job is light, occasional, and you have to move on multiple spots, then the single-phase unit is your vacuum. But if your job is continuous, maybe you have to find something part of a bigger system, centralized system, the three-phase unit is what you need. Still unsure? No worries. Reach out and we will help you to find the best vacuum for your company.